You can easily follow along with the demos and exercises in this course. The course page includes a link to download all the exercise files. Download the zip folder containing all the files that you need for this course. These can also be downloaded from GitHub, which will ensure that you have the latest version of the exercise files. Extract these files wherever you want. I put my files in C:\code, as a too long path can often cause problems. Once you've extracted the zip file, you will get a Windows and a cross-platform folder. If you follow along using Mac OS or Linux, choose the cross-platform folder. And if you're on Windows, you'd use the Windows folder. You'll find exercises for each module, where each folder is divided into a completed and start here folder to make it easy for you to follow along. If you run into any problems, you can always peek inside the completed folder to see the fully completed solution for that exercise. When you open a new starting point, make sure that you first restore the NuGet packages and then rebuild the solution. This is to make sure that we don't run into any issues once we start the project. This course is focusing on applying asynchronous programming in C#, and we'll do most of our coding in the main window.saml.cs file. This course doesn't require you to know anything about UI programming. We'll simply use this application to understand the principles, which are applicable in any C# and .NET application. I'm using Visual Studio on Windows throughout this course, but you can follow along in your favorite developer environment on your preferred operating system. If you run into any problems, feel free to comment on the discussion on the Pluralsight website, and we'll make sure that you can follow along with the course. While taking this course, feel free to pause the video at any time and add the code to your project and fill out the exercise files. This way, you will learn a lot more about how all these asynchronous principles work in a .NET application. With the exercises ready, let's proceed to learn everything you need to know about building powerful and performant applications by applying asynchronous programming in C#.